Hey guys, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. I just wanted to hop on here really quickly and apologize to you guys for not getting any videos out this week. With Easter, we had friends over for dinner, and work's been really busy. My day job, I do data entry, and so we've had a lot of overtime opportunity to do overtime come my way. So I have been trying to get more overtime in just because of the money, but I didn't want you guys to think that I have just like not kept my commitment about doing Making It Monday and Tutorial Tuesday videos. So I do have a lot of ideas wrote down. I've got a lot of things lined up that I'm going to start filming. Typically I do my filming on Saturdays, and then I release, my husband edits them for me, and then we release them on YouTube on Mondays for Making It Monday and Tuesdays for the Tutorial Tuesdays, which are crochet videos. But like I said, last weekend with Easter, we had friends over, we had my kids over, just not a lot of time to record and edit and things like that. So I wanted to come on and just say I'm sorry that we got really busy with everything. It's no excuse, but I did want to let you guys know I didn't forget about you. So I am hoping to get some more videos recorded. I have, well, they've been giving us like 10 hours. We can do 10 hours of overtime a week on top of 40 hours at work. So this Saturday I'm going to go in and do some probably 5 hours worth of work at my day job. But in the afternoon I will get some videos recorded so that my husband can get them edited and put up on YouTube, and then I can share them on my other social media pages. But yeah, so and also I wanted to ask you guys, I'm not sure how many people watch this on YouTube, but if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. That really does help me out a lot, and doesn't cost anything, just a click and a share or whatever you guys can do to help. I would really appreciate it. That does mean a lot to us, and it helps my channel grow, as most of you know if you do YouTube. And then I always share those videos on my social media pages, which I have a Facebook, a TikTok, Instagram, which I don't do a whole lot over on my Instagram, but I am trying to change that. And yeah, so if you haven't already, just give me a like, share, follow, all that jazz. And I promise I will get some more content uploaded for you guys. And if there's anything that you guys want to learn how to do or would like me to demonstrate, I'll certainly do my best. So please comment down below if there's something specific you want me to do that's knitting or crochet. I do sometimes do a little bit of cross stitch. I love stamped cross stitch. Some people say that's kind of cheating. I don't like to do the counted cross stitch very much. But yeah, I do like to do the stamped cross stitch. So I might start doing some, I don't know what they call that, like ASMR videos, very relaxing, not talking, but just kind of subtle sounds and stitching. I think that's kind of neat to watch. I like to do that. But anyway, yeah, just comment below what you guys would like to see me work on next. And I will have some videos back up next week. See you guys later. Bye.